free primary health care. Nitia when you say President Mahama. Ninyansem. Ye titana ya was health insurance no.
Okay.
Ye de ne say wayare. Na o kose o kwayare se be so kopayare hwe. Enti ahono ye fa creative. Your cure. It comes from cure. It comes from cure. Enti ahono ye say wayare. Enti o berisa with health insurance. Na ye ne facilities na ka facilities no. Enti o call health facilities na o mo hwe wa na ye ye tuoboka.
Okay.
Good. But President Mahama ni nyansem no we say what the free primary health care baba. Na se chere ni tete nyina ne say ye promote preventive health care. So you promote and say you say prevention is better than cure.
Yeah.
This are men strong koyare answer.
Okay.
Cause sabe okoyare na se okosa okopayare hwe a etore bi esikasem wom.
Yeah.
Abrewum nyame anhwe yempo nyame amobra wan hwe mpo akofom akohwere wonkwa. Nti men strong koyare answer.
Okay.
Nti ye de yesa ye bo ye sie no kwan. Nti ye the policy or the policy number say the kan pa your health facilities in Kitinkiti be say cheap compounds, health center, clinics, any polyclinics.
Okay.
And they be so any check for the Christian for no or more no. Any been selected ones be a campum say CCA dear. Oh honoma one kasa ubitima sorry now call any of them. Oko was maba. Mon check me BP mame.
Okay.
In fact, this one basically is a vitals in particular. Mon check se BP here and answer maharawa me brabo we send it here. Bibi won bibi teach ma bibi an teach ma o sorry ya go afa onwodi.
Okay.
Se bibi teach ma ho a na o se wo de ho na do creative no. Because the baby adu no e bi ehwe o wayi mo no seni enti sisi ade be nya so boko hospital. Hospital na woko no what dia unya insurance card. So na me chiri. Enti sisi ado preventive bit no free primary health care dia wo sorry ya.
Na
But wa have insurance wa uni card mpo.
Obetumi
Mako se naba. Mo hwe me vatas mo me se bia me BP na nyama mutuma hwe nyina ma so mo hwe na se wo ye free a no access ko ba bi bo ko ba bi na mmom se mo hwe na se bia bibi tuchuma won a yes ko ya refer to be a hospital bi na horo de won kwa a is a we have insurance enti aban wonam health insurance so authority so say between 15th of April a couple 31st of this month obia you say obia free obia to have insurance so obi so wo uni bi o card e bubia ko ba bia free free until I'm here starting a program here and friend storm the market. Yes, yeah, yeah, now you're free yeji. At the from come down so tebubua kajeji insuna no. Nti ya bobum market bia na ewuro no da maka modua edwa no. Ni abo wuro honom. Ni erexi wo bia nti de a brass man in nkrom. Wo bia ya bo hondo say for free primary health care nti wo bia register because wo call free primary health care be ma kwan say ko na ko hwe ho bia na mo wo ko na se bibia techema wo ho a wo be de ko wo be hospital na ya refer no de wo ko na wo health insurance card no so no nti ne say abanse sa de yemfa bosome ba ko e be brokra bosome ne fa yemfa register wo bia for free wo register bi da wo kwa da ya da register wa da na no etimi yejuma go health insurance and the policy ba ko say a pool insurance yakwa ye wo register ya dana na onya so mfaso just say wo akazo contribute akransa but woni dey aban ne say ne year register ne year but mayusu ne year
e wo kwan be so
say anu say for say na wo register na say ne wo register na no pa you free for you na nyumra wo yare am so na wo de ko but can you
register ya moye ma no anensa be kan card
hono ma instantly hono ma na kaneno we register with insurance is all train bosom yansa
asana yes asana
ya say because of because insurance e pool or say obi use wo de kakransa asana also nya kwan e use obi de na mo we de amaya man search we say dana use into who register on my instantly. So who dress be at 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, so area, or mass or the call.
No, the call.
Now the test free premier African, so I buy what the car advances, our hospital get a mechanic in the clinics, no.
Okay.
What the car advances can their momo. To go Jerry.
Wow.
Okoya, ya shock. What the car discuss say, Korean question why you more they were pum the necessity be so corner say be anymore. It's a co baby.
Okay.
Name more court, Nasi, so we see a share, be no how I want to chimaka. You better feel to be a cop. Be a breath hospital.
Okay.
Breath hospital wouldn't even call or quite we have insurance card.
Yeah.
Na card now here no de kono. Yes, is the exam for free. Okwa and so oko between that time period in the only problem.
Okay.
Beshokwa.
Okay. And see Sabo also much I said that a date bay.
Yes, I say 15th April no registration no.
Okay.
What's that 15th April now? Then na present launch sa program no free premier.
Aye.
Sa 15th na.
Okay.
To that same day now the chance for free.
Okay.
Complete the first of the this month.
This month. Nti busumi de to say duasa ba ko no be kwesi ade ya edi anim na watch. Okay. Na mo dia ba wie.
Na honde ba wie wa wo dia will be register betia. Yes, you go back to the old system.
Okay. No, old system now omutu say.
Who 23 cities.
23 cities.
Wow, we are adult no. But if you are below 23 cities a year, 18 year.
Okay.
Which are just a year processing fee 56 cities.
Maybe on processes be. Wow, you
so we are
adult.
Good.
Okay.
So we are adult.
Okay.
Yeah, no, have your formal sector and informal sector no.
Okay.
Nti wow contribute to Senate na se phone na there what the automatically oh ya won bia.
Okay. But you share formal sector no.
Formal sector no ho na making.
Okay.
Me say me ya ba adwuma.
Okay.
And I say oh nya ba nyukra so contribute to Senate.
Senator. So you register or Senate Abibi okay.
It was Senate near buy a tiska free on.
Okay. So now we have former sector no.
More former sector no.
Okay.
So anybody who contribute to Senate bia no there or former sector no.
Okay.
So no.
Okay.
Inti no there who call shout ya enyu ntwe.
Wow.
Unti bia. Dem more informal sector no. So no. More we have we wajuma. That's also called reach out to insurance. Who 26 cities. No 23 cities.
Okay.
Dem if you are below a year 18 so a 60 days processing fee nko
okay.
Sanity.
Okay. All right. Ora France me pese esa ko yechi kakra. Ebia na obi nim ye kase national health insurance. Jumekuo no kra odo watchem kakra but me pese ye hwe wasade mo dwuma mo yankasa e wo health insurance.
Me da so papa. Also health insurance. In fact, na se pa sha se fi nkransa.
Ai pa matisa issue
me anko se me krum na shase.
Okay.
Na ye de no ye for the tripod ne say akwese 9 miensa na si wonom. Now 9 miensa na kwese ni nyina ti akoye baako. Now health insurance the purpose pa na say in fact a bas boma say tutu wo mo ye vulnerable.
Okay.
Wo ma se be nke binu wo nsem wo ma mo kire wo mo. So enti health insurance kwese kutua sikasi ebia pombienu.
Okay.
Utua ye ne facilities.
But pombienu na yese.
Pombienu dey atwam kan tete ne fe ne pombienu.
Okay.
Nesikai nti ye fan se ne misi kutua 23 cities.
23 cities. Okay.
Afini nyina ro kutua 23 cities.
Okay.
Na utua 23 cities na. Yare bia oba yare bia ye mo konya se ko any health facility bia ye ya ma ne kwan se woni ebedi dwuma.
Okay.
Ye fe ne credential ya ma ya credential wo mo se ye no mo nya dwuma. Nti any health facility bia wo ga na bia woni ye dwuma bia no so yare a fa card no kono honom.
Dodo na ye government hospitals and I say
clinic. Aban wo hwe nkronkron dia aban dia na doso. Because wo say ye sha se free chip compounds no. Nkiti ni nyina ya aban dia.
E ban dia.
Ba be drusro e kokopem ba tertiary hospitals no.
Okay.
And the private ones also boa. Support to charge no.
Yeah, me person bisa say e be a private hospital e pese more accredited no. Na oni mu ye adwuma.
Good.
Obetumi aban na kwa mention obefas. Okay.
Papa wo yi techima ko bebe wanom.
Okay.
Private ones so hospital bi wa ye nchanja private ones do so.
Okay.
Zonio ne Dr. Bismarck mo nyina e ka mo ye dwuma health insurance. Ye tell say what trouble formally.
Okay.
Say opese woni ye dwuma.
Ye dwuma.
Afi ni etue nipa. O mama ba ni abehwe facility no.
Okay.
No ni di kan pa yi fo ba behwe. from Hefra.
Okay.
Oh, or another independent facility cry.
Okay.
Our facility now one. So baby we say be a dance we. Yes, we in the be they provided health.
Okay.
Good. Omo we omo de na. Na yen so yabam. Na de na ba ye be hwe equipment awo.
Okay.
Be a also wo here thermometer de be hwe temperature.
Okay.
So and now we I'll be check blood as if be hwe na se ni nyina ya. A number of doctors awo. Nurses awo. Ye be hwe ni nyina na se ya. Afi ni ama kwan. Oh, okay. Ya ma kwan se formally. Obetuma provide service ama ye nkrofo ambeba honom.
Okay. Nti eno no mo ma no kwan na mo accredit no se mo ne ebeye adwuma. Eya nhihye ebe ne because me kai say me hu private hospital bi a omo ya accredited to National Health Insurance.
Exactly.
Patoko ho a sika omo je no.
Good.
Ngani nkomo anya accredited krampo ankeye.
Good.
Eno no nhihye ebe na ya amoko.
Me da se papa. Ne chene say ma men kaso no kre. Nipa ani di patuntum was again any ebiti modin yie ebiti modin wo as private facility
yes
and now what base on ye be adwuma yen show se chinchina bra na me adwuma
okay
wo ba na ye wo terms wo no
na mo dia one
and now so hwe mu na wo so terms wo de metimi
okay
SOMPA FM the terms be ni say obi ba na se wo hwe na poma ye free ba ko services na be provide amano no
okay
service na tariffs wo honom tariffs na ko say so wo hwe obi emfa say obi aba so malaria na se wo dwuna na wo examine na for machine so no modern social motor mu wan ya wo wie na service no provide no
okay
so no and no sa service no ya wo ho sika betua
okay
afei
eno ne NHI National Health Insurance go ska betua de ama
good
hospital no okay
consultation hu fi etua
mutua
good na wo wie no na aka nuru a wo manipa no so
okay
enuru so no ye wo ye wo honom medicine lesson wo
okay
for medicine lesson na ebia na sika wo se de ma wo na wo hwe ni nyina mu wie na wo je so okay mepe metini mo ye adwuma so
okay
now health insurance so ye cover yare almost 95%. Ghana.
Okay.
Yare do na this is be asabe wo say ojo say wo say so person na dey question man dey nyam.
And dey mo cover.
There be because one person say for cover.
No wa kwahye that dey.
Sentene dey enye. Na mu yare do na health insurance cover.
Okay.
Now, nipa na ba ye client aba honom say obepa yare hwe.
Okay.
No wa hwe no. Na me catch say ye service no tariffs no say dey say betua ma wo. Na no so money ndura se de betua ma wo enti se ukọ usa ho kwa jisika bia free bro ye tariffs na se betua no ana se do de ma no usa ho kwa jisika bia bro sa na se nipa no wo bonapo
enti Ora Francis abasa mo monitor wo mo ana
me chewe
okay
enso me da se pa in fact health insurance ye major problem pa ba ko na no e no se sabi obi bekwa kopa yare hwe na wono okura card say baba be pa yare hwe afedi say sabe nko afa card no pa nko ananka ye
ai
because sika ye be hwere ni mu age no no do be na amanfo ba mu pobu
yes
because oni say wo kwenka wo de aja ne ho kire no say have insurance in fact it's meant for vulnerable in particular wo mo kire wo mo konkurase nkurase obi wo no ma sabe de obi dinda ko problem na ode ko pyre jaka o kwa afidi no mo hwe nanim nyamie nim wo ko tro enu no ko abi wo no ma baby na me wo me free ba say ebi wo no ma prekopro na ye nka nkire so ye ba ho no ni abobum ni abehwe bia facility kwa yesemo yemfa costos
okay
stores no so nuro obekọ ye di nuro nyina gu wonom so no obekọ no obi wonom na enuro bu wonom a wokọ chef no na bi mpo ni wonom but no watro say o de ma patient we ba wonom e ma me mansa duro no enso won stores won stock omo log book mpo no na sendo no won to bi da na wo si pen unuanim bona po sabanyafo omoni twiska boom says there obi ko yare bia ya have shall cover ni na enso be kokogina nko wie no betuma me twiska boom bi wo dwene won tiase da
yeah we kwa na make private ba government hospitals no so do sa no mo
ha pepe na ne chene say maybe e ko takrade de ko body tree na sadi ya do me ne patients ne kasa na patients ko kasa ye ba no masika ye tuanya senkomo na me se wo ma me ka me dirakra na me ka chense necessary wo munim wo mo ba ko so me cousin kra wa hanom ba ko so me bra ba na ye doctor wa takra na me kan yo
okay
enti wo tiete nipa no wasam na se say necessary dey be an doctors ne bi aho wo mu de nemum dodo na mpo free takra de wono ma o mo crop facility wono ma no mu nya ya adwuma na ne chere say wo nua o ma me wo soa wo fa aba hospital so ba pa yare na wa kasa woni pa se adu we say health insurance
ekover na wa ton ama no
na wa hwe nanim aton ama no ne o bu wo so krampo na ne o pese obu na hospital no doctor bu krampo no wonom na woni pharmacy bi aye kululu
kana na omudi
se juma wo tro ma no ka chese ko sa hospital we say aye do pharmacy we ko na ko je do honom na wa wo so woni anim na me se wonim health insurance ya de be dream ba no aban bia se president mahama o mfin kran me no mi nua no ma na tia no ye juma o ma na ebu ye na nyame chade saad na wo wache me se bia me free ba akra se okotema community hospital or particular hospital bo no ma
okay
o hospital ni mienu ba ko be wo no be fe Lebanon
Lebanon
wo asama inside nkasa
okay
otimi de nipa na omo ba me hospital no obotimi de details ni nyina sa bua no sa de ko
ne other hospital
no
wow
owia no kan nyina de aba baje claims obi ansi hoda na nyame chade de sa ye wo sese bebrebe
okay
ade check sad no na ye news wo ya oba de wo che mu nyina ye tene se oba wo hu se the biggest challenge pa ba ko pa is ade no
okay
so patient at hospital
okay insurance
bonapo na say yankofo bi afrakra ba say ombeye clinical audit akra na me bo hospital me monidin
okay
cesarean section obi okwa ya pa na CS
no
woman bi ko mo gine 5000 di gine hunno me was CS free free have insurance ko free
enti me bo so obi ko CS obi brawo na ye ni operation ye ma me de operation enu na ye free
CS free ye nchep
ye ne kana fo bu ya che
CS free ya ma almost hospital refund 5000 money pa no ya ma refund 5000 money pa no you can't do this you should be paying buno nti unim o ya private hospital now so we say o prosika me medwane you know I have insurance but they obi go ya me show sitting center medwane name o badwane dia it means that you want to meet so meet a condition na wo no but the chene say yanka so no krenso o say we are say niema na ya dynamic niema sesa de bia
okay
now you see we are make us about Dr. Bampo at the power for to no so pa yesa copayment no
okay
or by beginning na no task force so mon ko to mo shase free ya na ma no bo so hunu niema de ntia masa niema na basa no
okay
to mo ye ni nyina wi no hunu so no what a big challenge it do a whole task force na so che ho asem no o se wa dan na mana be a whole directorate
okay
ya check to man no ba be directorate ankasa o mba be hwe in charge of payment sa e me ko me fe payment illegal payment because emra ma kwan sa o choje to ko ji illegal to head the whole directorate say o mu take charge ni hwe hu se sa de no e be tu ase
okay
e be tu ase from because e ya de ha ye yie na o mo de ni ma to kodu say this time court bebem e be ko court ye hwe na hu se bia kodu na court sama ye do court on court go and deal with the court
okay
baby o se hwe bit ma refund usika ma be hwe aji sika ma na o ka se ba na se ne munta no e say ye nkrofo say aba ye chase ya do bedu district office no
okay
ye tu omugum se monko to the sense ye feel to be puppet on se puppet here ya so for
e you should be
se e bi kokosisi baby hospital kese ni nyina
okay
okwa yibu de mo chase yeji kwa St. Martin mo hase wono mo de pop na kuso ne enkrofo gina ho nti ukọ na se wokọ kwan hospital be fa so bia say do the betra ma wo say treatment bi dey ma service dey ma no so wo dwense won tiase a wo koya yen kofo no wo no ma me koya aja we no mo de ma me o say na woni fa ho o se dabi yen ko hospital doctor say I will say I do say every chance cover never say wa shama no